On Techinu every week, we help you know how you can party better with a new wireless speaker. Well, we have shown you tons and tons of speakers. This week, we have something special. We have a soundbar, and that one is from Toreto. Why don't you go ahead and take a look?
Toreto Thump Sound Bar, the TOR 319 is a portable Bluetooth soundbar. The soundbar is easy to use with a good and ergonomic design which can be carried around anywhere. It does consume low power as it gives you up to 3 hours of non-stop music playback on a single charge. The Thump Soundbar is available in grey color at Rs 3,499 and can be purchased online through leading e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and retail stores across India. Now talking about the sound quality, the output power of the soundbar is 20 watts that produces an awesome sound and is probably one of the best speakers of its kind in the existing segment considering the price and multiple connectivity options that you are getting. The device has something for radio lovers as well. It has an inbuilt FM tuner which regulates the frequency automatically with the assistance of an antenna within the device. The Thump Soundbar comes with multiple connectivity option that includes Bluetooth 4.2 version that gives you connectivity up to 10 meters while you play songs stored on your smartphone, tablets and PCs as well as through music streaming apps. Other than Bluetooth, you can also play songs via TF card mode, USB mode and line-in mode. One of the best thing about the Toreto Thump Soundbar is that once you connect your phone, you can take calls through the soundbar while you are on the move, and the sound clarity was impressive. The Thump Soundbar is fueled by a 2000 mAh battery which can be charged by just connecting the speaker through a USB cable. The Toreto Thump Soundbar TOR 319 offers good output with crisp and detailed audio. It is less obstructive and has a decent surround sound. Considering the price and the multiple connectivity option that you are getting, it is the best looking soundbar that you can buy right now.